CBDC is going to be the future currency of the world. And it is necessary that every central bank, every country works on CBDCs. Really facilitate efficient, cost-effective and faster payments across jurisdictions.
Welcome to the Currently, your go-to channel to understand complex issues concerning India and the world. Today, we are diving into a topic that is shaping the future of finance, central bank digital currencies or CBDCs. Money has taken many forms over the centuries: barter system, metallic coins, token currency, digital wallets, cards, etc. Money is still continuing to evolve, and the latest form of this evolution is cryptocurrency. India has recently launched its own CBDC known as eRupi, which is currently in its pilot stages. But did you know countries like Bahamas, Jamaica and Nigeria have already introduced CBDCs? In this video, we'll break down what CBDCs are, why they are important, the different types of CBDCs, and some of the key issues associated with their introduction. So, what exactly is a central bank digital currency? Well, at its core, a CBDC is a type of cryptocurrency. But here is the catch: unlike Bitcoin, Etherium, or other decentralized cryptocurrencies, a CBDC is issued and backed by a country's central bank. That means its value is equivalent to that of the currency issued by the central bank, providing it with the stability that most cryptocurrencies lack. Imagine a digital version of Indian rupee, but instead of being a volatile asset, it is as stable as the physical cash that you use every day. After looking at what a CBDC is, now let us look why countries like India are investing in CBDCs. The reasons are numerous and compelling. The first among the reasons is that CBDCs can significantly reduce the costs associated with printing, transporting and securing physical currency. CBDCs also act as alternative to volatile cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin and offer a safer, government-backed alternative. Central bank digital currencies can bring more people into financial system, especially in remote areas where access to banks is limited. CBDCs also reduce the cost and time of transferring money, making transactions faster and cheaper. CBDCs can be effectively used during natural calamities or emergencies. CBDCs can be used to disburse financial aid directly to those in need, even when banks or physical cash are inaccessible. CBDCs can also help in combating criminal activity, as CBDC transactions can be tracked. They can help prevent money laundering and discourage the use of cryptocurrencies for illegal activities.
Now, let us discuss types of central bank digital currencies. There are primarily two types of central bank digital currencies that different central banks are exploring. The first among these types is a wholesale CBDC, which is mainly used for interbank transactions and efficient transmission of the monetary policy. These are majorly concerned about transactions in between the banks and about the transmission of monetary policy. Whereas retail CBDCs are a type of CBDCs that everyday consumers like you and me would use. It is money held directly by individuals and businesses for everyday transactions. CBDCs also come with their own set of challenges. The first and foremost of these challenges is banking disintermediation. One of the major concerns of CBDCs is that people may start moving their funds from traditional bank deposits to CBDCs or other financial instruments offering a higher rate of return. With this, banks could lose their role as intermediaries in the financial system. We are already seeing this phenomena in India, as the public are slowly moving their deposits out of banks to other financial instruments like mutual funds and stocks, which offer a higher rate of return. This could lead to a reduction in deposits of banks, affecting their ability to lend money. The second important challenge is the impact of CBDCs on monetary policy. CBDCs could potentially complicate the central bank's ability to control interest rates and manage economy. The next important challenge of CBDCs could be unregulated cross-border transactions. If CBDCs are used across borders without regulation, it could lead to financial instability. Unregulated cross-border transactions is a direct threat to the Indian economy and could lead to flight of capital from India. Also, there are many privacy concerns with CBDC. Unlike CBDC, cash offers complete anonymity to transactions. The traceability of CBDC could compromise the privacy of individuals' financial transactions, leading to concerns about surveillance. Now, let us discuss how the above challenges can be resolved. So the first and foremost of the challenges is banking disintermediation. To resolve the issue of banking disintermediation, we can take the following steps. We can issue non-remunerated central bank digital currencies. Holding CBDC is like holding cash. Cash in hand doesn't earn interest. By holding CBDCs that don't pay interest, we can reduce the incentive for people to shift all their funds from bank accounts to CBDCs. The issue of banking disintermediation can also be resolved by imposing caps on individual holdings of CBDCs. Imposing limits on how much CBDC an individual or a business can hold can prevent large-scale withdrawals from traditional banks. Also, tiered interest rates can be offered if the government wants to introduce remunerated CBDCs. Offering lower interest rates on larger CBDC holdings could discourage hoarding of CBDCs. Also, to deal with the issue of unregulated cross-border use of the CBDCs, limiting the use of CBDCs to the issuing country's jurisdiction can prevent destabilizing cross-border financial flows. Now, to conclude, CBDCs are a revolutionary step towards the future of money, but like any innovation, they come with both opportunities and challenges. As India and other countries continue to explore this digital frontier, it is crucial to balance innovation and stability. Thanks for tuning into the Currently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated on the latest happenings. Thank you.